Hi there, in this video, I'll show you a simple way to blur car plate numbers in CapCut PC. Let's get started. First, drag your video onto the timeline and create an overlay with the same video. Then, go to the Effects tab, find the blur effect, and apply it to the overlay video. Adjust the blur intensity as needed. To blur the license plate, select the overlay video and go to the Mask tab. Choose a rectangular mask and fit it over the license plate. Now, to make the blur move with the car, use keyframes. Add a keyframe at the start. Move forward and adjust the mask to track the license plate. Repeat this for the entire video. Play the video to see the final result. That's it. Thanks for watching.